All right, welcome back. And still the Good Morning Naija show. And yes, we just finished one very, very important conversation. And I believe we don't learn. We don't carry pen and paper. We don't jot things down. Because this one, now things where you need to know as person, as individual. The conversations day here now. Won't get another better one with another better guest. We go join us this morning. And Barrister Liberous Oshoma will go follow us get the discussion today in a legal practitioner. And we'll talk about how the judicial system they used in a certain way, how people feel they use them to their own personal gain. And this will not be waiting supposed to happen. The judicial system supposed they're independent to make sure say they carry the matters of the law for their head and carry them well. And some kind of situations don't happen where we decide to get the discussion with Oga Liberous this morning. And I know they here alone, only Sunday still they here. Oga Liberous, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
We your volume is high. Good morning.
Yeah, we hear you fully. Okay.
Better we'll try adjusting from our own end.
Yes. Like I we'll just reduce that for our side, make it not too loud.
Yeah, Oga Liberous, when I see this topic, I kind of wonder, say, why the focus on the Supreme Court, according to waiting day here? Me, I just want to talk generally on the judicial system. But you day inside, this particular system, so you understand the everys when they work out for there. We talk about judiciary and the last hope of the common man.
Yes.
For the world over. In Nigeria today, we feel still confidently talk that one, or judiciary don't turn to chessboard for the rich and the rich alone?
To some extent, we will still say na the hope of the common man. But every day, that hope, they decline. That hope, not be the hope when it be before. It is so bad that you find situation where the common man now no fit access justice for Nigeria. Especially given the fact, say, all our national life, get one common thread where they run along that not corruption. So, even though they say, yes, judiciary are the last hope of the common man, but every day, that statement, our society, they pull and put lie to that statement. So that's why they did very liable for common man on cases to access justice. But that one no be say, common man no fit access justice to get what I mean. Some fit access justice, but it will take time. We go now say the windmill of justice grinds slowly but surely. But we forget say justice delay.
It's also justice denied.
Yes. So, Oga, this now some of the concerns where Nigerians, where they watch, they feel. They still say when we don't enter matter of court like this or all those kind of situations, it's more like now who get level or who know people pass. Now in they usually they win case. Now waiting people where they talk say now if you get level now you go win case. If you be a poor man where you carry case go court, they go look you like say you want waste money where you not get. So how this situation don't reach like this, and what do you feel say fit happen when we fit change this kind of situation? Because it comes like say the common man don't even trust the judicial system anymore.
Okay, bros, man just answer waiting Edewo just talk. And on top of that money matter, we know they even they refer to as per say charges or fees.
No.
Of wasting person go pay lawyer. Because not say lawyer pass lawyer. You get lawyer when we say go do it for you for free. You get lawyer when we say now your money now ain't go talk because they don't look the damages when they involved. We they talk about say settlements when we say they happen for the hands of judges there.
Yes.
The person will be saying the matter go land for in table at the end of the day. When if you look your man, when you look person when keep person talk, say this person not kill anybody because now you get the final say on top of that matter. Now waiting with they talk. How you take see this matter?
No, I know because you remember these days it is easy for politicians to accuse judges. Say they believe say this judge don't collect money. That's why this case be like this. And so, the situation where even judiciary now go now come out, they defend themselves, say, no, we no collect money. This person where you call the name, don't do that panel. Those days, when you be judge, you they live a secluded life. You know, they go party, you know, they visit anybody because that person, they believe it says someday that person will get peace for your cause. But today, judges, they go party, judges, they attend birthday, they attend the gathering of politicians, lawyers, they spend money to judge. His daughter won't marry, his son won't marry. They'll send money to your account, support them. So when things like that, they happen, that confidence when judges get, you know, go gradually, people go look and say, this lawyer, when me and I'm getting, I see this judge for a party last time. And the thing when law they found out, nobody say you did bias, but say there's a likelihood say you go dey bias for any party. That alone reach for you to say, I know one handle, or that to raise somebody's suspicion. May we take our mind back. If you remember, the case of Concord and Naija Supreme Court, when they say Babangida buy Mercedes-Benz for the Naija Supreme Court, and they register the Benz with their name. Chief Ganifa any go say these vehicles where they buy for the judge and register in their name. Say na bribe. Why you go buy for judges, register them for their name, na bribe. Eventually, you get the allegation where they say they can't change those registration or register them officially. When the matter reach court, because you know the judges sue Concord and carry the story. When the matter reach court, when they see the document, they don't register them in our federal judiciary. Chief Ganifa and say no. Let them take those documents for accountability to check whether they go re-register. From that point, the integrity of our judges, you know, they on the line. But that matter eventually they recover. Because people got to wonder if this matter reach Supreme Court and you get 9 judges to Supreme Court, how many go form forum to hear their matter? Because we say no man shall be a judge in the court. Secondly, also, after that one, we want to hear of Oladipo Diakon of the way judiciary did now. Some judges they will write judgment, one for left pocket, one for right pocket, depending on who set to pass. They will bring out either the right or the left. So all of this, you know, just started to happen today. So now politicians come perfect the act. When they charge of people, he talks, say, look, in their house, Amechi, the current minister, come meet and tell us, say, this matter where you handle, the president, they are aware. They want me to handle and this way, handle and that way. At the end of the day, I just throw the time. Nobody interrogates Amechi, whether I chop him or in. So also, you need to also look at the appointment of judges, the way they say they appoint them. Let's take our mind back to the June 12th crisis. Justice Bassey Ikpeme delivered judgment in 9, annulling the election, or the big election to vote. If you read Shekwa Adeni, talk say that's politics, power politics and death. Talk say that time as a reporter, when they transport some of the governors that time, all of them they call their own attorney general. So yeah, don't meet judge when they counter order. You meet my chief judge, they counter order. So why are they trying to narrate all of it? Not to say this thing just fall on us today. You don't tell when it happen. And then when it now comes to appointment of judges, recently, the NBA national president, Pride, the interview for Supreme Court just take old boys thing. So when they interview judges like that, and the appointment now who told us, how you expect that person go dey unbiased for any matter? And then go now rise to speak for. So if you also remember, then you remember just or shoot tribunal. When the news magazine come out, say the exchange message with lawyer for inside tribunal on how they fix judgment. So at the end of the day, even eventually start. And then to round up on point, Justice Ayo Salami and Asnalu Saga. So when you put all of this together, you will know say this problem, a big problem, big pass up. Not be today it start. That is why politicians they know how to approach judges. That is why they will now put this oh, this person will hold meeting with this person will hold meeting with this person. On Nugget, they say go for Dubai. At the end of the day, when the man come up for office, that investigation is that. The man saying about that. Nobody investigates that. That one no means it's very, very often.
All right, Ogaliboro, just on a final note, on a final note, as you don't already give us lots of instances, of course, when don't raise doubts, you know, as per this whole thing around the judicial system. You mentioned something very key, again, as per the appointment of judges as well. Just in a nutshell, how we feel resolve this issue, how we feel bring sanctity back to the system, how we feel ensure, say, person feel get hope, you know, to say whether I get kobo or not get kobo, justice will prevail at the end of the day, irrespective of who my papa be, irrespective of how much went in my account or not. How do we resolve this in a nutshell, please?
To resolve this, we'll get to start from the appointment of judges.
Okay.
There are so many recommendations, so many documents on how we need to go back to ensure that the appointment of judges follow the procedures when they lay out. And that procedure will also spell out conduct for judicial officers. And so once we go back that space where appointment of judges will be influenced by who you know who, and who they recommend, will they strictly by the people when they start with that responsibility. And any misconduct to get NJC, no will just be adopted. NJC also no will be the Chief Justice of the Federation extension, because NJC now almost 95% of the members of the Federation they are appointed. So when you change all of these people now, when they say the process when they appoint you, if they rigorous, you will get the best. Then secondly, when you get the best, they no go compromise the system. They no go they attend party. They no go they sit down with politicians. They no go they hold autonomic litigants. When that happens, you know, we will gradually build that hope again. Lawyers no go they give you money, say your picking won't do party. And then anything when happens, the NJC immediately was activate instrumentality of the law to deal with the issue and the person when they come, irrespective of the position. Until we do that, we are the way to test it.
Thank you very much, Ogaliboro, on top your contribution on top this particular topic. And very interesting insight. You say you don't give us onto the Nigeria judicial system.